First step, assemble standoffs, small to on top of large, screw on top, screw the screw down till just the shoulder is showing. First thing, remove old ribbon cable. Second step, remove 4 corner screws. Take one standoff and the little wire, attach them, and then assemble in top right hand corner. Okay, using a 5/16 nut driver or socket, tighten down the standoffs in each corner. Secure the ground wire to the negative terminal. Once all 4 standoffs are fastened down, next install ribbon clip. Attach right below the top hinges on the left. Attach supplied ribbon cable. Slide in connector. Back off the 4 screws on the standoff so only 2 threads are showing. You kind of want to get in there. Attach noise shield. Make sure noise shield drops down on keyway. Plug other end of ribbon cable into the lid.